Well, I've seen where you've told me like driving in certain situations, it can make up for any deficit you might have.
Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. I'm going to break down how Tesla's new Actually Smart Summon (A.S.S) feature can change the way you think about accessibility. It's easier than you might think, and having a Tesla is a no-brainer for those with disabilities. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired Ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
All right, you're gonna make that Tesla come here? Where's it at? Let's see how good you can drive remotely. Watch you get right out in traffic. That would not be good.
What's up there?
What's that?
It wants to stop.
It wants to stop there? Okay. All right. So you can make the Tesla come to you remotely. Like say if you're on the curb and Tesla's out in the parking lot. So how does that benefit you?
Anybody with ataxia or neurological condition, if they're like in a wheelchair or have a walker, they can have the car get out of a parking spot or get you, of course. A lot of people won't agree with this, but a Tesla technology is worth its weight in gold for people with disabilities.
Well, I've seen where you've told me like driving in certain situations, it can make up for any deficit you might have. Like in it like when you put it on automatic and it won't get within 30 feet of somebody, so it almost won't let you run into somebody. It literally won't let you run into somebody. So I can see where that definitely would be beneficial.
Yeah, really, if you have a neurological condition and you have the means, it's really a no-brainer to get the car.
Awesome. Awesome. Good job. What the hell?
Thanks for watching. If you've got any thoughts on the Tesla's new Smart Summon feature, be sure to share them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about Tesla's latest innovations and how they can help people with disabilities, be sure to check out our other videos in regards to driving with Ataxia.